It's October. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, sunshines. How are we today? It is Friday or Saturday. No, today is Friday, but you might be seeing this video Saturday. I'm not totally sure yet because I'm trying to throw out a history video, but that might be on the weekend. I don't know. Just know that today is Friday when I'm filming this. I woke up very cold this morning. I also can hardly see because of my beautiful bright blue eyes. Need sunglasses. My eyes are so sensitive sometimes, really. But what did I discover yesterday? I discovered yesterday I don't have any working propane. Let's take a look at that. At least I didn't lose. I have to replace this. You can see it only lasts 3 years because it's not protected. I don't even know. Do I have to buy like the whole regulator, or can I just buy hoses? I have no idea. I just can't have any heat or cook until I fix this. Now yesterday I had everything set up here, but after talking with my brother, we're coming up with a different system. One, it doesn't have to be up top here. It can be, we can create a station down below, so I don't have to lift these tanks up because they are very heavy and I do lift them myself. The pigtails are dead. I'm going to go right now to pick up one from Tractor Supply because I only need one to get going. And then I did put, if anybody would like to sponsor, I did put an extra pigtail on my Amazon list. And I'm going to talk to my friend Raiden's husband and see if we can't make myself a little like 3-part kind of protector sort of out of wood, so that then I can mount the regulator and have both cans on the floor. The other project I am doing in the next 24 hours is my hitch. Thank you to Mr. Anonymous. He bought this hitch for me in February. Then I got nervous about putting it on. Then it got really hot. And now it's not so hot. And this bad boy's going on and I'm doing it. I have to go to the store and get 2 more of these. Why? Let me show you. So because I've never screwed anything into my undercarriage, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the screw with some WD-40. I'm gonna slowly screw it up into the area and then back out just to make sure that when I install these, they're gonna work. So I've got my screw, I've got my pigtail already ordered and gonna go pick it up at Tractor Supply. I'm also gonna stop. They're having a 50% off sale at the local thrift store. And I need to stop just to see. We're missing a couple things for the Halloween costumes for the kids. So I'm gonna see if I can't fill it in that way. Yeah, I have no idea what else is happening today, but today is Friday. All right, here I am. I've never been to this thrift store. It's the United Methodist Church thrift store. It's only open on Fridays and Saturdays. It says entrance is right over here, and they're having 50% off everything that's over 50 cents. What do I need? Nothing. But that's okay. Let's go support the church. I'm looking for a couple Halloween things. Maybe I can find some camping stuff too. Okay, folks, I'm too late. I stayed home and helped the kids with lunch, and then I didn't realize that they close at 1:30. So no going to the thrift store, but if you're here on those days and the donations another time. I'm gonna hit up Tractor Supply, get my part, and then I'll go a little bit further. Actually, I might go a little bit further now to the other thrift store that I really like and just see, because we are looking for a couple items to go for the Halloween costume for tomorrow. But bummer, it looks like they have some really cool stuff and they have furniture, and I was hoping maybe I'd find a little table, but oh well, saves me the money I don't have to spend. Now, our main Goodwill is up on 160 behind the Big 5, but it's so expensive. I like going to the other thrift stores. But okay, hold on. We've closed. We're moving to State Street. We've relocated. They are at 1357 State Street, Unit 1 and 2. And It won't open till after Halloween. Well, okay. And now I'm stuck. I have to go to Goodwill. Let's go to Goodwill. Dang it. Okay. Did not have what I needed for the Halloween stuff, but that's okay. We will make do. What I did find though, score, because I collect Pahrump mugs. And I got a new one. Let's see, we can check that out. Yes, I have a small Pahrump mug collection. This will say my personal collection has a small chip on the bottom, but it does say how different Pahrump. Okay, but now to Tractor Supply to get my part for my propane. Okay, I got the pigtail. Now I totally forgot to get the bolt. Dang it. Okay, I got 2 of these. I only pulled one out of my purse. Now we can start the project. And because it's Friday, we checked the mail. And giant shout out to, I believe, David that sent me a Starbucks gift cards. I normally use them traveling, but it's been an interesting day and I needed a little something sweet in my life, so I got this. Sun's going down, so I'll have to do the hitch tomorrow, but I can install this today before I lose my daylight. Apparently my cabin filter needs to be changed. Let's do this. Okay, this is the first time filming some kind of car repair video, so please bear with me. Explain what I'm going to do here. We're going to take this off. You're going to squeeze the sides in. It pulls the glove box down, and then back in there is going to be the air filter. I'm going to set up the camera over here so that you can see me do that. Now I got the glove box out. This right here is what I need to change. And it snaps off on the side, and then the air filter just pulls out. I also managed to misplace my tiny tripod, so filming's been interesting. Okay, that's weird. Super dirty. But why is it all squished like that? Definitely nasty air filter. Okay.
Whoever stuck it in there just shoved it in and didn't fucking put it in right?
Yeah. Okay, let's get this open. Okay, there's the old one. And then this is the new one.
You see through the plastic.
You can't see through the plastic. Okay, that wasn't the smartest.
Weird, like, charcoal filter.
And it's got charcoal filter. Okay. But what we were trying to show you is that the dirty air filter you can't see through. I double checked the airflow is going down on this one. So we're going to come up here and you're just going to gently put it in there. You don't have to, shove anything in there. Just kind of sits in there. And then I got to put the cover back on. Well, it's sticking out just a tiny bit, but I'm not sure if the cover just goes over it. So hang on. All right, everybody at home is probably going, that's normal. That's normal, which it is. So let's put this back on. It should just snap in there. Okay. You just saw my head, but that's it. Now we've got that. Now this gets pushed back up there. Dun dun. Just stuck it in the sides. And then this gets attached there. I have a new cabin air filter. Doo -doo -doo -doo. But now I gotta figure out what all that crap is. I changed my cabin air filter. Tomorrow we'll put a hitch on. I will get the propane switched out. Until tomorrow, happy Vlogtober.